Here I'm taking you to a greenhouse tour. Just been watered. So I'm gonna tour you inside my little greenhouse. Right in front here is my curry plant. It has lost some leaves, but that's normal in this time of the year. But it has a lot of babies down below there, as you can see. Right there. And onto this side I have a cactus here, old man cactus, and I have the ficus here. It's a very old ficus, belonged to my father-in-law that we have saved, and my husband has been taking care of it, trimming it, and putting in new soil every year, repotted every year, so it is happy. And onto my left here are succulents, cactuses, right here. They're growing nicely. And onto my right here, right in the middle of the garden, I mean in the greenhouse, you have all sorts of plants. You have the Pilea aluminum, avocado plant here, happy. Begonia maculata. And there's a heartleaf philodendron here. Been in this pot for probably 5 years. I just add soil and give it food, and it is thriving. And we have other succulent plants here, and we have this bird's nest fern, and that's the another fern there called what's the name of that again? Rabbitfoot fern. And onto this side I have the philodendron, big philodendron here. It's Syngonium, pink princess, growing beautifully and showing its pink leaves, new leaves. And more monstera down below here. More succulents here. And my spider plants. More philodendrons down there. Pearl and jade pothos. And down below here, more succulents, cactus, philodendron, Pilea peperomioides, euphorbia in here, more euphorbia, philodendron, and more succulents on this table here, syngoniums. And here's more peperomia, more cactuses over there, jade, variegated jade, and down below here, this is the elephant ears, alocasia, and more syngonium down below here, colocasia down there, dark colocasia, begonias. Over here, a pothos that is growing all over the place, climbing onto the wall. And here's my Christmas cactus, the begonias on this end part of the greenhouse, and jade over there. And so much more plants under this table. They all get the daylight, which is good. Moving on to the other side. And here the calathea tricolor, more begonias, and my big frangipani here, losing its leaves, but it is normal. In the springtime, it will put out leaves and hopefully it will bloom this time. But we'll see. And I have this plant here. It's camellia, and I'm not sure if this is Camellia sinensis. I bought it a few years ago. I was told it is Camellia sinensis. I'm not quite sure, so I have to get a picture, get somebody to confirm if it is real Camellia sinensis, or the tea, we call the tea plant. And this beautiful begonia here, and this is this a peperomia or Hoya? I think this is a Hoya. And look at my beautiful begonia here. It's blooming. And onto this side of the table, all this plants. I can't remember the name, but I'm sure that you all viewers can identify the names of these plants. This is more of the spider plants. Pothos here that is growing on a stick, and here's a baby curry plant, Homalomina, heartleaf philodendron. More plants over here. I can't really identify this plant right there. But those of you who can identify the name of the plant, you can comment and so share with other plant enthusiasts. And Swiss cheese philodendron, my beautiful begonias, king begonias, and young begonia plants down here. More begonias down there. There's two begonias actually came from my mother-in-law. So these are species of begonia I am taking care of and propagating them. And more on this table here, more begonias. I love begonias. I think they're very resilient plants. So here we go. And more begonias here. So yeah, this concludes our greenhouse tour. It's a small greenhouse, but it's packed with plants. Some of them, most of them will come out outside actually in the springtime. There you go. Hope you enjoyed this greenhouse tour.